Yo, you staying stuck in the dirt? Or you coming to see the view from the top? The wind's talking trash, but my motors, they scream. Listen to that 6S whine. That's the pulse, let's whine. Punch out, frame disappears. Earth looking microscopic, ripping through the tree line. Staying on the topic, long range, full send, chasing down the sun. Thumbing on the sticks, yeah, I'm having too much fun. Videos locked in, digital, no static. Hanging over nothing, purely cinematics. Heavy industrial clanking. Going up, stay up. Voltage, check, green light, grip the sticks. Watch the drum. Hit the power loop, world spinning on its head. Cutting through the atmosphere, leaving them for dead. Split us through the ponds, I'm shaving off the bark. Gravity's my witness, I'm lighting up the dark. Raw heat, total flow, goggles strapped tight. Metal bird, iron wings, I own the damn night. FPV, no fakes, just a vision. Live in the moment, surgical precision. Dive on the concrete, terminal velocity. Throttles on the edge, moving with ferocity. Blocks in the gaps, dancing with the ghost. RSS, I is solid, I'm the one they fear the most. Snap, roll, fast back, killing every gate. Land a bird, breathing hard, man, I feel great. 355 on the set. Bring it back to the pad. Eyes on fire, best flight I ever had. MTG.